In our previous video tutorials, I demonstrated on how to host static websites on GitLab. Today, I want to show you how to host a static website on GitHub Pages, because GitHub Pages feels easier with fewer steps to deploy a static website. If you already have a static website with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, this fits you. The first step is ensuring that you have an account in github.com. After that, you need to be on the home page. You need to tap on the new button here, or you can tap on this plus icon, and then you can create a new repository. Onto this page, I need to give my repository a name, which will also be used in the domain name of my static website. So you have to give it a simple name that you can remember. After that, you don't need to give it a description unless you are doing a complex website. And then here I'll just make sure that the repository is public, and then create the repository. After that, I'll go to my files, to the folder where my project is stored, and then here I need to open the command prompt. So I'll tap on the path here, then type cmd. It will open a terminal on this location. First command that you need to type is git init to initialize git, and then git add all. After adding everything in this project folder, which has the static and the index.html, and something that I forgot to tell you, the main HTML has to be strictly named as index.html, because GitHub does not recognize any other name. It has to be strictly index.html. The main one. You can name other HTMLs however you want, but the main one should be index.html. Now, after adding all the project files, I need to git commit. I'll need to git commit m. I'll call it first project, and then hit the enter key. And by default, the master branch has been created, so I don't need to create a branch here. Now, the next command that I need to type is adding the remote link, or the link to where my project will be stored, which is now GitHub on my repository. So what I'll do is go back to my browser and then copy this command, git remote add. After highlighting on it, I need to right click and then copy, go back to my terminal and then Control V, hit the enter key, and after that I should be able to push the project. The last command that I need to type is git push u origin, and then I will revoke the branch that has been created for me here, master. So I'll call mine master and then hit the enter key. Now I somehow ran into this error. I don't know how to resolve it, but after I get the solution, I'll be back. So I have tried all methods, but they keep on failing, and I'll make sure that I document the solution to this error, because there's really an issue. If this has failed, there's an issue. However, I'll go back to my browser. If I can't push a project through the terminal, there is also another way that I can use, and that is uploading the file directly to GitHub, and that is the method that I'll be using. Okay, so upon this link, and then I'll bring this folder of mine to this page, and then I'm going to select all these files except git, that is index.html and static, and then I'll drop them here. After they have been uploaded, I only need to just commit the changes. By default, the files should be taken to the branch main, okay, and that is what we'll be using. So basically, after the files have been uploaded, you come to the settings of this repository, and then tap on the pages on the left part of the screen. Deploy from a branch, that is okay by default, and then I'll select the branch here, it's main, and then I'll save. And then after some few seconds, if I refresh on this page, you should see a link here. It should appear here. Let's just wait for a few seconds, and the link should be readily available too, so that I can visit the site. I'll tap on it and see the website and how it looks. And this is my website that is live, and you see it has the correct naming, MaxPyTech, then pre-buy PC. The website is very okay, and that's it.